Okay guys, now I'm going to talk about the blood supply of the stomach. So as we can see, this is the stomach and this is the esophagus distal part, and this is duodenum and pyloric part of the stomach, and this is the pyloric antrum. I'll mark it. Pyloric antrum, body of the stomach, fundus and cardia of the stomach. Okay, so this is the antrum, pyloric antrum. Okay, as we can see, the stomach is supplied by like the abdominal aorta supplies bloods to the stomach. So let's draw the abdominal aorta. It passes where? So this is the abdominal aorta, and it gives off branches like the celiac trunk. I'm gonna draw it as blue. Okay, so this is the celiac trunk, and the celiac trunk, it has three branches. The first one supplies the distal part of the esophagus. DO is the distal part of the esophagus, and it also supplies the cardia, and this is the lesser curvature, and this is the greater curvature. Okay, so this is the celiac trunk, and it has three main branches. The first branch is the left gastric artery. So it supplies, the left gastric artery supplies the distal part of the esophagus, cardia part. So we can draw it like this, and also it supplies the half of the body part. So this is the left gastric artery. The other part of the celiac trunk is the splenic artery. It passes behind the stomach, so I'm drawing it like this, and it gives off splenic artery. It gives off branches, two branches. The first one is the left gastroepiploic artery and the short gastric artery. The short gastric artery supplies the fundus, and the left gastroepiploic artery, it supplies the body, and this is the left gastroepiploic artery. This is the short gastric artery. Then, and this is the splenic artery. It supplies the spleen. Okay, now this is one of the branch. This is the second branch. The third branch is the common hepatic artery. The common hepatic artery, it like here in the pylorus part, it divides into two main parts. It gives us right gastric and the gastroduodenal artery. Here this is the gastroduodenal artery. This part, this gastroduodenal artery, it gives the part right gastroepiploic artery, and this artery supplies the pyloric antrum and the body. So this is the right gastroepiploic artery, supplies the body part, and this is the right gastroepiploic artery, and this is the gastroduodenal artery, and this is the common hepatic artery. See, after the like this one, okay, so after it divides into this, then this supplies the liver and the common hepatic artery. So the common hepatic artery gives us the branches: proper hepatic artery, which supplies the liver, gastroduodenal artery, and right gastroepiploic artery. Now the proper hepatic artery, it supplies the right and the left lobes of the liver. The right is called the right hepatic artery and the left is called the left hepatic artery. Now, the right hepatic artery gives off the branch celiac artery. Sorry, cystic artery. It supplies the gallbladder. So as we can see, this is the hole and this is the celiac trunk. So as we can see, so this is the total blood supply of the stomach. So first, the abdominal aorta. This is the abdominal aorta. It gives off branch celiac trunk. The celiac trunk divides into 3 branches: left gastric artery, splenic artery, and common hepatic artery. The left gastric artery supplies the and I have missed something. Sorry, I'll tell you later. So it supplies the left cardia and the distal part of the esophagus and the body. And the splenic artery, it goes to the spleen and it gives off branch of short gastric artery and left gastroepiploic artery. The common hepatic artery gives us the branches gastroduodenal artery and it gives us branches here. It is the right gastric artery. Right gastric artery. So the common hepatic artery gives us the branches, the proper hepatic, gastroduodenal and the right gastric artery, and this is the splenic artery. So this is the schematic representation.